Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be putting my subframe back in. I gotta clear up a lot of space in the shed, that way I can actually move around and work on some other things. So yeah, I'm gonna work on putting that in today. So yeah, I'm gonna slap you guys on my head and then try to put this in my car. And I might need some help. So, let's get to it. Alright, now it's time to install the subframe. Looks so clean. So glad I decided to just throw some paint on that. You want to drive the Supra? Huh? You want to drive the Supra? Hi. I'm glad it doesn't weigh a whole lot, but I mean, look at that. It's just barely on there. I mean, the whole subframe weighs like, I don't know, maybe like 30 pounds, 40 pounds. It really doesn't weigh that much with the control arms off of it. All right, just seated that one. Oops. Make sure that washer's lined up around the edges on the bushing. For the front subframe bolts, the torque setting is 94 foot-pounds. If you have a deep socket, that would be great. I forgot to buy a deep socket, so I'm gonna make do with what I have. Alright guys, subframe's all back on. That was a complete workout. My arms are killing me. It's late. I'm gonna call it a night. The next thing I'll tackle is throwing the lower control arms on. Pretty much getting the suspension back on. That's what I'm gonna be doing in the next video. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like. You want to follow my build, go ahead and subscribe for more videos on this whole build, and then check out my shorts that I have. I make those too. And yeah, have a good day, guys.